Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix Fluxus injection failed DLL not found. To resolve this issue on Fluxus injection failed DLL not found, you should check for updates, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall, and uninstall and reinstall Fluxus. We will have discussed the fixes in greater detail below. Check for updates. It's important to ensure that the game is fully updated to the latest version. Check if any updates are available, and if so, make sure to install them and try to updating it, and check it the issue of the injection failed DLL not found has been resolved or not. Check for updates or Fluxus injection failed DLL not found. To ensure you have the latest Fluxus executor version, follow these steps. Visit the official Fluxus website, down, locate and download the latest Fluxus executor version suitable for your device, Windows, Linux, or APK for Android, and install the downloaded version of Fluxus executor. Temporarily disable antivirus or firewall. Try temporarily disabling the antivirus or firewall software. By doing this, you can check if this security application mistakenly blocks access to the application, which might cause issues. And connecting to multiplayer. To temporarily disable your antivirus software, locate the antivirus program on your computer, open its settings and disable it. To temporarily disable your file, follow the steps and open the controller panel. Search for Windows Defender Firewall or Firewall, and select the appropriate network profile. Uninstall and reinstall the Fluxus. Lastly, if none of the above solutions has worked for you, try uninstalling the Fluxus from your device and then reinstalling it from the official website. Once the application is reinstalled, check if the error still persists or not. So here are the steps to uninstall and reinstall the Fluxus executor on Windows, and press the Windows key plus I to open settings menu. Go to apps or apps features in the settings menu. In the search bar, by types Fluxus to locate the applications. Once you find the Disikia 7 in the last, click on it to select. Contact the Fluxus support and Fluxus support for injection failed DLL not found. If the previous solution did not work, it's best to reach out to Fluxus support for assistance, and they can give you personalized guidance and solution that are more suitable for you. And thanks for watching us.